Yn Archifau Morgannwg, mae aelodau o People First, grŵp hunan-eiriol sy'n cael ei redeg gan bobl gydag anableddau dysgu, wedi bod yn gweithio ar prosiect yn ymchwilio i hanes Ysbyty Trelái.
This is where we keep all the documents.
Wow.
So we've got 4 rooms like this in the archives, all the same size. They're all up there. So this is the bottom one. So we have the mobile shelves so we can fit as much stuff in as we possibly can.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen.
We were approached to work with Cardiff People First on the project, and the idea of the project was to look at the history of Ely Hospital, and for the members of Cardiff People First, many of whom had been residents at Ely, to be able to tell their story about the hospital. For us here at the archives, it meant that we could use the documents that we've got which detail the history of Ely Hospital, show those to the members of Cardiff People First, many of whom were former residents, and help them then to learn a bit more about the history of the institution.
Some of the words that they use aren't very nice at all.
Roedd llawer o aelodau People First yn byw yn Ysbyty Trelái ei hunan ers talwm. Fe gawyd yr ysbyty ar ôl ymchwiliad, achos bod llawer o'r cleifion yno'n cael ei camdrin. Mae edrych drwy'r archifau'r ysbyty wedi dod â llawer o atgofion yn ôl, yn dda a drwg i lawer o'r bobl hynny.
The block at the back is Robert. And my brother-in-law was in Ely Hospital, 16 and 12 years of age.
Were you looking for your... Was it your brother you were looking for?
Yeah,
right. These are in alphabetical order, so we're in...
I was glad they went to Ely Project because it brings all the old routines back, what they posted then. The nursing doctors posted then.
We looked at old historical maps which actually showed the Ely area and how it had changed over time from what was quite a rural area on the outskirts of Cardiff with only the hospital really there to becoming quite a built-up residential area, the sort of housing estate that we know today.
Ely Hospital?
And Ely Hospital's there.
Yeah, with a children's home on the side.
Yeah.
I remember the children's home.
Yeah. Ely Lodge.
I remember the Ely Lodge.
I
got locked in there.
We've enjoyed working with Rhian and Susan from here. It's been a pleasure, Jan, to do all the work and find out how things have altered over the years.
I think the Ely Hospital project really showed that these documents were important because they do detail a very important part of our social history. These things did happen and it's quite easy to try and forget them, brush these things under the carpet. But the documents, they've survived and they do detail exactly what happened. So it's very important indeed that we have preserved them for all those reasons.
Roedd un o'r dogfennau yn y casgliad ag ystyr arbennig i Martin, un o sylfaenwyr People First Cymru, gan ei bod yn ymwneud a'i waith i wella'r amodau i bobl oedd yn byw yn Ysbyty Trelái.
The Declaration of Rights of a Declaration for Residents. When I look at this, it makes me feel proud I made this document. This was the first document I ever done. And sorry, the tears are coming out now. And I'm proud to be a part of Cardiff People First, for the voice for the people that can't speak out. And it makes me happy.
Gyda'r pethau ddaeth i'r golwg am Ysbyty Trelái, fe wnaeth aelodau People First Cymru greu arddangosfa yn ymgeddfa stori Caerdydd yn ogystal â ffilmiau ac animeiddiad.
Working with Cardiff People First has been an incredibly rewarding experience. I've really enjoyed spending time with the members, looking at the records with them, and encouraging them to do their own research using the records. And it's been great to see how they've then gone on and used that material to produce the exhibition at the Cardiff Story and to produce their story for this competition, which it's really lovely to see that they've gone on to do that from the research that we did here at the archives.